Welcome to Tidy Habits YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you 10 cleaning hacks using your leftover wines. White wine can help break down grease on dishes and pans. Just pour a bit onto the greasy area, let it sit for a few minutes, and then wash as usual. Both red and white wines can be used to clean glass surfaces. Pour a little wine onto a cloth and wipe down your windows or mirrors for a streak-free shine. Just be sure to wipe the area with a clean, dry cloth afterward to avoid any residue. Red wine can actually help lift stains from fabrics, especially other wine stains. Blot the stain with white wine, then rinse with cold water and wash as usual. White wine can be mixed with olive oil to create a natural wood polish. Combine equal parts of white wine and olive oil, apply to wood surfaces, and buff with a clean cloth to restore shine. Mix white wine with a bit of baking soda to clean marble countertops or floors. The wine helps to loosen grime, while the baking soda provides gentle abrasion. Rinse thoroughly with water afterward. Soak oven racks in a mixture of leftover wine and baking soda. The wine helps to break down the grease, making it easier to scrub off. Pour leftover white wine into your garbage disposal. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then run the disposal with cold water. The wine can help reduce odors and break down residue. Create a paste with leftover wine and baking soda. Then apply it to grout lines. Let it sit for a while before scrubbing and rinsing for cleaner grout. Ironically, leftover wine can be used to clean wine stains. Blot the stain with white wine to dilute it, then rinse with cold water and wash as usual. Adding a small amount of leftover wine to your compost pile can help introduce beneficial microbes. Just be sure not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. Remember these cleaning tips and tricks that you can use someday. We know you'll love this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.